Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Korean grammar.
으러, 으려고, 으러, 으려고,
They are.
연결어미,
You might wonder what is.
연결어미,
It is used to connect to clauses or sentences. Using
연결어미,
in Korean grammar allows two sentences to be combined into one.
으러, 으려고는 연결어미예요.
When do we use?
으러, 으려고,
We use them to indicate purpose or intent. Here is two sentences.
공부를 해요.
I study.
학교에 가요.
I go to school.
공부를 해요.
Is purpose. You can make a one sentence using
으러,
and.
으려고,
Let's see.
으러. 공부를 하러 학교에 가요.
I go to school to study.
으려고, 공부를 하려고 학교에 가요.
I go to school to study. Are they the same? No, they're not the same. They are different.
으러,
It's important to remember that it can only be used with the verbs
가다, 오다, 다니다. 으려고,
can be used with any verb. Let's see how to use.
잠을 자다,
I sleep. Its purpose.
집에 가다,
I go home. Its purpose of an action.
가다, 오다,
Or,
다니다.
then you can use
으러,
it become a one sentence.
잠을 자러 집에 가다.
Also you can use
으려고, 잠을 자려고 집에 가다.
let's see another one.
내일 6시에 일어나다.
I wake up at 6 o'clock tomorrow.
일찍 자다.
Action for purpose. You cannot use
으러,
in this sentence because the verb.
자다,
The verb is not.
가다, 오다, 다니다.
Instead you can use
으려고, 내일 6시에 일어나려고 일찍 자다.
Did your curiosity get resolved? If there is something you don't know while studying, please leave a comment below to ask a question. Thank you.